Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to make a traditional Easter palm from Dobra village in Poland, a colorful and carefully crafted decoration full of meaning. This is more than a craft, it's a celebration of heritage and community. Let's begin. Here's what you'll need. Materials and tools. Dried grasses, basil. Evergreen branches, such as boxwood, tuja or juniper. Hazel or willow sticks for the core of the palm tree. Scissors, garden clippers, knife or any other sharp tools. Tissue paper to make flowers and colorful ribbons. Tissue paper flowers, store-bought or handmade, if available. Lace and florist wire. Step 1. Prepare your materials. Start by preparing and sorting your materials, dried grasses, flowers, and greenery. If you want to make flowers by yourself, you can follow one of these ideas. A rose. A cone. A daisy. Step 2. Build the palm core. Take several hazel or willow sticks and tie them together to form a strong, flexible core for your palm. It is crucial to have it firmly tied. Something like this. Firmly one after another. Now push the raft underneath. And one more time. Traditionally, Dobra palms are around 100 to 180 centimeters tall, but you can scale them to your liking. Then you need to tie it in several places. Step 3. Arrange and bind decorative elements. Now for the most important part, building your design. Start from the upper part and continue to the bottom. Start with bunches of grasses, followed by boxwood and colorful flowers. Bind each layer tightly with floral wire or twine. In traditional Dobra palms, decorations are added densely and rhythmically, often in a spiral or striped pattern. As you can see, this work would be too difficult for just one person. Think about someone to help. Strong binding. And one more layer. And the last one. Finally, add colorful ribbons at the bottom, along the palm. Don't hold back on color, the more vivid, the better. Each detail adds to the character of the palm. And the last touch. All done. And that's it, your very own Dobra-style Easter palm. Beautiful, joyful, and made by hand, with care and respect for tradition. Thanks for watching, and happy Easter!